Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR Tip. This week, I want to start at the very beginning. What is your why? Your why is so important to your story and to everything that you're doing. And it really is the underlying foundation of all of your publicity. It's your story. It's who you are. It's why you do what you do. We are not in business just to make money. Most of us aren't. We have a reason that we started our business. So I really want you to think about your why and why you do what you do. Why do you get up every morning and go to work? What is it that you love to do? What is it that you're doing to help others? And really establish that why, because that becomes a big part of your story. And of course, people are going to look into you and what you do before they use you as a source or use you in a story. So really work on identifying your why. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. It gets to be a mouthful sometimes. If you like this, I welcome you to join the PR Challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's a 10-day challenge where we go through little bits of what it takes to get media exposure. How do we position you as an expert? And then how do you start pitching? So I cannot wait to see you in the challenge. And then I can't wait to see you in the media.